Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at several lithium stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. At the start of this week, Tesla's Elon Musk was in Texas, where they were breaking ground on their new lithium factory. And he shared his thoughts that lithium is the new oil. This, of course, is because lithium is a key component to electric vehicle batteries, which, as we know, are growing more and more in popularity. So on that note, we thought it would be a great time to take a look at a few different lithium companies that all come in with buy ratings from analysts. We'll see what these companies do and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. Don't forget, you can download the TipRanks mobile app by following the link in the description down below. Now let's jump right into these lithium stocks. First on our list today, we're taking a look at a company called Sigma Lithium. Their stock trades under the ticker SGML and is currently priced at about $38 per share. Now, they have seen some huge growth this past year, up 183% and up 32% in the last few months. Sigma Lithium was established back in 2012 and works out of Brazil. They are pursuing environmentally sustainable lithium production, intending to reach net zero emissions by 2024. Their lithium processing plant aims to use 100% renewable energy and 100% recycled water. They're one of the largest, highest grade, and lowest cost hard rock lithium producers in the world. While the company does not currently generate any revenue, that is anticipated to change soon. As they move into phase 2 of their commissioning, their commercial production is expected to commence, generating cash flow into their second and third quarter. For fiscal 2023, analysts will be anticipating revenues of $610 million and earnings per share of over $4. This comes as Sigma achieved their first production of green lithium. That news came out just a couple weeks ago on April 17th and is a big milestone from the company as it concludes their commissioning process and transitions the company from developer to producer. Following the news, we did have 2 analysts reiterate their buy ratings for 4 current ratings overall. The Sigma Lithium stock comes in as a unanimous buy with an average upside of 40% and a price target of $53. And we can see those 2 recent ratings here from 23 days ago with upsides of 28 and 71%. Our second lithium-related stock is Albemarle. Their stock trades under the ticker ALB, currently priced just shy of $200 per share. Now, they have not had a solid year. They're actually down over 6% this past year, hopefully hitting a low here in May. They've dropped 26% in just the last few months. Albemarle is the world's largest lithium producer and is the only active lithium miner in the United States, with their mine located in Nevada. Albemarle is leading the world in transforming essential resources into critical ingredients for mobility, energy, connectivity, and health. Now, lithium is their biggest line of business, accounting for just over half of the company's revenue, but they do deal in other areas such as bromine. They just reported their latest quarterly earnings on May 3rd. They did come out with a solid earnings beat, but a slight miss on revenue, and they did trim their full year guidance based on reduced lithium prices. For their Q1, they did report earnings per share of $10.32, coming in nearly $3 ahead of analyst estimates. Their Q1 net sales came in at $2.6 billion, and that was $160 million shy of analyst estimates, but did grow 129% year over year. And while they did reduce their outlook to reflect the lithium market prices, they are still expecting net sales to grow 35 to 55% year over year. Following that latest earnings report, we had a handful of Wall Street analysts reiterating their price targets. Now, we did have some that lowered those price targets based on the decreased outlook, but also a bunch that upgraded their ratings from holds to buys. Overall, the Albemarle stock comes in as a moderate buy based on 12 buys, 6 holds, and 2 sells. The average price target is nearly $260, which would be an upside of over 30%. And you can see here we have a pretty wide range of price targets with a high of over 400 and a low down at 155. And a lot coming in just within this last week. We do have a sell rating with a downside of 22%, but also some high-end price targets with upsides of over 71%. Third up, we have Lithium Americas. Their stock trades under the ticker LAC, currently priced at $21.49 per share. Now, they have had a volatile year, but are up nearly 6% overall, though they are down 10% in the last few months with a recent rally this past week. Now, you know how I just said that Albemarle is the only active lithium mine in the US currently? Well, Lithium Americas will be coming for them, as they are currently working on developing the largest known lithium deposit in the States. That lithium deposit is at Thacker Pass, which is anticipated to be the next large-scale lithium mine. They will be targeting 80,000 tons per annum of battery-quality lithium carbonate production capacity in 2 phases of 40,000 respectively. Phase 1 production is expected to commence in the second half of 2026, and the mine is expected to have a life of 40 years. Lithium America is also advancing lithium projects in Argentina, and their Quashari Olaroz is advancing towards its first production. They gave updates on their Argentina project in their last quarterly earnings report that came out on March 31st. They shared that construction is substantially complete and on track to deliver their first production by the end of the first half of 2023. Their stock currently only has 3 analyst ratings, but they do all come in as a buy. Those buy ratings come with an average price target of nearly $30 per share, which would be an upside of 38% from current prices. And we can see they came from a range of 2 months to a few weeks ago, with upsides between 20 to 53%. And our fourth lithium-related stock is Li-Cycle Holdings. Trading under the ticker LICY, their stock is currently priced at $5 per share. Now, these guys just came to the market back in 2021 via a SPAC merger and have fallen since. The stock is currently down 18% over the last 6 months. Li-Cycle Holdings is different from the other stocks we look at today, as they are not in the mining business. Rather, they are a lithium-ion battery recycler. Li-Cycle focuses on a sustainable process for the recovery of critical materials from all types of lithium-ion batteries. They recover those materials and then reintroduce them back into the supply chain. They offer a full-service solution for recycling lithium-ion batteries with a closed-loop resource recovery. They currently have 4 operational recycling facilities in North America with a capacity to process 51,000 tons of lithium-ion battery materials per year, and they're also working on expanding in Europe, with their first recycling facility expecting to be open in the second half of 2023. The Li-Cycle stock currently has 7 analyst ratings, coming in as a moderate buy. That is based on 5 buy ratings, 1 hold, and 1 sell. Their average price target is about $7.80, which would be an upside potential of 52% from current prices. And we can see several ratings coming in the last month, all around the same, that 56 to 66% upside, and then 1 sell rating from a couple months ago with a downside of nearly 22%. So there we have 4 different lithium-related stocks, all in varying stages of their businesses, but with some interesting future potential for sure. Let me know your thoughts on the stocks in the comments down below. What one catches your eye the most? I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just to spark some ideas and give you some information and entertainment. Please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence, and that any investment decision fits within your current investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.